Interactive brokers' login problems in 2026 often stem from a few key areas. Recent security updates, especially enhanced two-factor authentication, 2FA, rolled out in late 2025, can cause conflicts. Expired sessions, browser cache issues for web logins, and outdated software on your device or the TWS platform are frequent culprits. Regional server overloads, particularly during peak trading hours, also contribute. Understand these factors to effectively troubleshoot. Start with the basics. Ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 10 Mbps speed. Poor connectivity can cause login failures. Next, double-check your username and password for any typos. Even small errors can prevent login. If using the web portal, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This resolves many login issues caused by stored data. Restart your device. This clears temporary issues and refreshes the system. For mobile app problems, force close the app completely and reopen it. This resolves app-specific login errors. If you're using 2FA with an authenticator app, ensure the app is properly synced with your IBKR account and generating valid codes. Codes expire quickly, so enter them promptly after generation. For SMS-based 2FA, confirm your phone number is accurate and up to date in your IBKR account settings. SMS codes may be delayed due to carrier issues or spam filters. If locked out due to 2FA problems, use the account recovery options on the IBKR website. This typically involves email verification or alternative contact methods. If issues persist, consider switching to a more reliable 2FA method like a hardware security token. These provide stronger security and are less prone to synchronization problems. Web-based login failures often stem from browser compatibility issues. IBKR supports Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Make sure you're using one of these browsers. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can cause login failures due to security incompatibilities. Ad blockers can interfere with IBKR's security protocols. Temporarily disable any ad blocking extensions in your browser. VPNs can cause login issues by changing your IP address and triggering security checks. Disable your VPN temporarily and try logging in directly. IBKR's web portal requires JavaScript to function properly. Check your browser settings to ensure JavaScript is enabled. Cookies are essential for maintaining login sessions. Ensure cookies are allowed in your browser's content settings. If issues persist, try accessing the IBKR portal in a private or incognito browsing window. This bypasses cached data that might be causing problems. As a final troubleshooting step, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser before attempting to log in again. For TWS login issues, first ensure you're running the latest version of the software, such as 10.28.1f or later. Next, restart the Trader Workstation application and your computer. If the problem persists, try reinstalling TWS. During installation, make sure to grant all necessary permissions to the application. Check your Java installation as TWS relies on it. If you are still having problems, you can run the diagnostic tools from the application folder to identify the cause. Login problems can stem from server issues in your geographic region. Check the IBKR website or social media for reported outages or maintenance. If you suspect latency, run a speed test to verify your internet connection speed. If you're using a VPN, try connecting to a server closer to IBKR's primary data centers, typically in the US or Europe. You may want to consider temporarily disabling the VPN to see if this resolves the issue. IBKR employs several security measures to protect your account from unauthorized access. These include CAPTCHA challenges, IP whitelisting, and automatic account lockouts after failed login attempts. CAPTCHA challenges appear as distorted text or images that require you to enter specific characters. This helps prevent automated bots from accessing accounts. When entering CAPTCHA, type the characters exactly as they appear, including uppercase and lowercase letters. If it's unclear, you can usually request a new CAPTCHA. IP whitelisting is a security feature that only allows login from specific IP addresses that you've pre-approved. If this feature is enabled on your account, you must ensure your current IP address is added to the whitelist. If you're using a VPN or connecting from a different network, you may need to update your whitelist or disable this feature temporarily for login. If you enter incorrect login credentials multiple times, IBKR will temporarily lock your account to prevent brute force attacks. This is a protective measure, but it can be frustrating. When this happens, you'll receive an email notification. Use the account recovery process through the IBKR website or contact their support team directly with your account details to unlock your account. These security features, CAPTCHA, IP whitelisting, and account lockouts, are designed to keep your IBKR account safe from unauthorized access. Understanding how they work helps you troubleshoot login issues more effectively. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and still can't log in, it's time to contact IBKR support. Before contacting them, gather relevant information, including your account number, the platform you're using, and a detailed description of the error messages you're seeing. Be patient and provide as much information as possible to help the support team resolve your issue efficiently.